This is the second squirt that I've got. It also has quality issues. The retention on one of the, I think this is the screwdriver or whatever. It's supposed to be it's gonna close by itself, and it's like there's a spring. It should close by itself when it's getting close to the close position. But this one doesn't do it. Okay, when you open it, then when you try to close it, it's free moving. It should be like this one. You hear that? There should be a retention or spring retention, or what mechanism is that? But this one doesn't do that. There. Have to. As of now, there's no problem because it's still tight. But as time goes by, when you position the tool like that, it's gonna come off. Okay. So actually, I'm here outside the store and try another replacement. Okay, thanks for watching.